So, hello English learners. Today we are going to talk about the how to speak English confidently in public. This is a topic, and today we are going to discuss about this topic. I have six powerful points for you all, and we are going to discuss about these 6 points. Okay. So, do you feel English well alone, but feel nervous in public? And today I will show you how to speak English confidently in front of anyone. Okay, so I have six powerful points, powerful techniques. If you are going to apply all these techniques, you are going to just speak in a better way. Okay, so let's start talking about the point. First point, which is prepare before you speak. Suppose if you have to talk, you have to give any speech anywhere. So what we have to do, this is the first technique which most of the people are using, which most of the speakers are using, which is prepare before you speak. Because if you already know, like I have to give the speech, so why not you are going to prepare yourself? Everyone is doing this. Okay, so prepare before you speak. We have to prepare because confidence comes from preparation. If you have the enough knowledge, if you have the preparation about that particular topic, so you are going to feel better, you are going to feel confident person. Okay, so this is a secret, first secret which we have to use. Okay, prepare before you speak. Confidence comes from preparation. And think about what you want to say before speaking. If you are going to say something, just take a pause and think about that thing, then speak. Okay, so this is the first pointer which we have to focus. Prepare before you speak. And the second thing, like, start with small groups. If you are someone who is just starting, so you have to start with a small group. What will happen, like, don't jump on a big stage immediately. Speak with 2 3 friends first. Because if we are going to do something, so from the beginning we are going to do, first we have to talk to ourselves, then we have to talk to our friends, then we can talk in to our colleagues in a company, and then we can go on a stage to deliver a speech. Okay, so we can just go like this. Start with small groups. And the third point, which is focus on message, not grammar. If you are giving a speech or you are talking with someone, so you have to focus on message, what you want to say, what you are trying to say, not on the grammar. Like, you don't have to see the grammar, this is the correct grammar or the wrong grammar. You have to just focus on the message, which message you are going giving. Because people care about your idea, not your small mistakes. People care about your idea, not about your small mistakes. Okay, this is a third thing. And the fourth, which is slow down your speed. Slow down your speed. When nervous, we speak too fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Okay, so slow down your speed. If you are thinking, like, if someone is speaking in a very fast, someone is speaking, so you think like this is a genius person or he knows very well. No, you are wrong. Because when nervous, we speak too fast. When we feel nervous, we speak too fast. But we don't have to speak too fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Okay, and the fifth point, which is practice in front of mirror or camera. This is a golden tip which I also follow. I am also following this tip. Like, practice in front of mirror or camera. I will suggest practice in front of camera. Because if you are going to just sit in front of camera and you are going to practice yourself, then you can just record it and you can just look after it, like how am I speaking, or how can I improve ourselves. Okay, so practice in front of mirror or camera, but I'm suggesting practice in front of camera. Okay, record yourself daily, The more you see yourself speaking, the more confident you become. The more you see yourself in speaking the camera, you feel confident. Okay, and the sixth point, which is accept mistakes publicly. Yes, if you are making any mistake, accept mistakes publicly, because if you make a mistake, smile and continue. Yes, because we can make mistakes. If you are making mistakes, it means like you are on the right path, you are doing something, you are learning. So we can make mistakes. So if you make mistake, smile and continue. Confidence is not perfection, it is courage. Okay, so example lines you can say in the video: confidence is built by practice. Confidence is built by practice, not by waiting. If how much you are going to practice, you are going to build a confidence. Okay, and every fluent speaker was once a nervous beginner. Yes, if you are watching someone who is speaking and you are thinking like when I can speak like that person. So every fluent speaker was once a nervous speaker. Yes. So we have to just practice every single day, and we have to follow all these methods, all these points. Then we are also going to be just do better in our life. Okay. So we have discussed the six powerful points. If you are going to follow all these points, you are going to become a fluent speaker. The first, let's do a recap. The first, we have discussed about 6 point, which is first, which is like prepare your speak, prepare before you speak. And the second, which is start with a small group. And the third, which is focus on message, not grammar. And the fourth, which is slow down your speed. And the fifth, which is practice in front of mirror or camera. And the sixth, accept mistakes publicly. If you are going to do all these things, you are going to become a fluent speaker. So thanks for today. We are going to meet tomorrow. Thank you.